Welcome back, my people. Today we are going to be scratching off five more tickets from our book of $5 Safe Cracker crosswords. I have ticket numbers 75 through 79 that I'm going to be scratching off in today's video. We have $25 in tickets and we're hoping to see a profit. Now, if you guys have not been watching my last couple of videos of me scratching these off, I do not do one letter at a time. I find it to be a little faster and fun to scratch off all the letters and then see if we got any words. So we got M, G, P, Q, U, A, X, S, H, L, K, Z, C, E, J, R, V, Y, I, and an O. So we didn't get no T's. So going across, we did not get a T. No T. No T. Y-O-U. Did we get a Y? Yep. So we got one word. Y-O-U. B-E. Did we get a B? No B. H-E. Oh, we got another word. A-D. No D. No F, no D, right? No D. B, did we get a B? No B. Okay, moving on down. No T, no T, no B. R, did we get an H, I, N? Did we get an N? No N. No T, no F, no N, H, U, M, I, P. Hey, we got another $5, you guys. And no B, so we won at least $5. So we got no T, we know we didn't get the bonus word. Moving on, I just gotta make sure, okay, I had to make sure we're still recording. C-O-B, no B, no T, R-A-Y, we got another word, two more, we make $10. P-L-A, no N, no T. Moving on down, no T, no B, no N. We got two words. Let's scratch it off and see. Looks like we won $5. Or let's scan it and see. Wait, it's saying we didn't win. What? I thought we did. Y-O-U. So I know we got that. H-E-E-L. So we got that. We didn't have a D, you guys. We didn't have that D. Sorry about that. We lost. Lost on ticket number 75, but we might win on ticket number 76. So let's scratch off the letters. We have H, Z, D, F, L, O, U, G, Y, S, M, P, or sorry, M, T, B, C, V, P, W, A, and I, or X, I. Okay. We did not get no R's. And no E, so keep that in mind. Okay, so going across, no E, U, N. Did we get any N's? We did not get an N. T, H, no N, so no N. A, X, L, no E, no E, no E, no E, no E, no E. Okay, moving on down. B-A-C-W-A-R. Did we get no R's? L-A-P. We got one word. No N. No. Wait, what did we not get? We might have this. T-H. Wait, no R. No R. No R. S-E. No E. No N. So only one word on top. Moving on here, we did not get an E. Moving down, no E. A-L-I-B-I. We got another word. Did we get a P? A-P-T-H-Y. Did we get a Y? We got a Y. Okay. And D-A-S-H. Hey, we got $5. Oh, look. 4 words. We got $10. G-A, another. We're at $25. So no R, L. Oh, hold on. Am I scratching off the E's? No. No E and no N. Let's scratch it off. You guys, this should be 25 buckaroos. Let's check it out. $25 winner, you guys. Heck yeah. So anything after this is a profit. So let's see. Let's see if we can do it. WOZABLTI-YUNVCFDPMQK and then H. Let's see what we got. I hope this is not blurry, or not blurry. There's no glare for you guys. I really hope not. Okay, C-O-Y. We got one word. S, no S. C-O-B. W, and no E. L-A, and no S. No S. D-R-Y. No R. No E. No S. No E. Moving on across, we have no E. L-A-C-K. We got 2 words. One more, and we will make a profit, you guys. No E, no E, no E. A-N. I don't think we have an S. No S, no S. We didn't get an E, so we didn't get the bonus word. Moving on down, no S, O-U-T. We got that, right? No, we don't. Oh, yeah, we did. I was going to say, no, we don't got a T, but we do have a T. N-O and an R. We didn't get the R. No R. No E, no E. Moving on across, P-O-N-Y. We got another word. One more. C-O, nope, no R, no E. L-I, nope, no E. So nothing on this ticket, but we're gonna scan it. Not a winner. That's fine. We have 2 tickets left to win some more back so we can get a profit off of this video. UNGXWYJHPBVASILD OK and ZK. Okay, moving on across. We got no M, no E, no R, no T. Yep, no T, no R, no R, no T. L-I-O-N. We got a word. G, no T. E-Q, no E. Moving on down, no E. We got 2 words. No E, no R, no E, no T, no R, Q-U-I-P. Hey! I think we won $5, you guys. $5. That means that we won, or we made a profit. M, no M. So moving across, no I. Oh no, we got an I. No T. No T. No T. No R. BID. We got another word. Moving on down, IVY. Did we get a Y? Yes, we did. One more for $10, you guys. No T. Or hold on. Yeah, we're going down. No T. No T. No R. M. No M. Let's check it out. Could we make a profit? Not a winner. How did I do that again? Oh, what did I do wrong? BAN. So we got the first one. Q. You guys, we didn't get a Q. It's a loser. We got one ticket left to win something, you guys. To make a profit. That's what I always say. I like to see that, you know, making a profit is nice. DERKFCHNJLSYGIABMZ X and a Q. There's the darn Q. Moving across, SIDEW, no W. SU, or sorry, U, wait, we didn't get a U. No U. F, or AFAR, we got one word. SOF and no T. No U. No T. No T. MAD. Two words. No W, no U, no T. Moving on down, no T, Y, O, no U, no U, S, P, no P, no P, no P, no W, no P. Okay, nothing on top. Didn't get the bonus word because we don't got a P. Okay, moving across. No T. BED. We got one word. No T. DEE. No P, right? No P. K. No W. No M, right? No, we got M. RE. DM. Okay, we got another word. One more, you guys. One more. Can we do it? No T. No W. No U, right? No U. I don't think we won, but let's check it. Let's see. Not a winner. We scratched off $25 in tickets, you guys, and we won $25 back, so we broke even. Not bad. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!